stiff spine, low energy, breath that just won't go deep? That's not just aging, that's your body asking for something slower, smarter, deeper healing. And in just a few minutes, you'll feel lighter, clearer, and ready to move again. When I first learned this Qigong form, the turtle dive into the ocean, I didn't expect it to change so much. The way I move, the way I breathe, the way I feel. It's part of the Return to Spring Qigong system, taught to me by my teacher, Jessie Lee Parker at the Immortal Arts Academy, rooted in Taoist longevity and healing from within. It's especially powerful for restoring energy, releasing tension, and freeing the breath. A gift that grows even richer in our 50s, 60s, and beyond. In Taoist medicine, your spine is the root of energy. Your Jing, the kidneys store fear. The heart holds joy, but it can burn out without the balance of water. This form invites water to rise, cooling the fire, soothing your nervous system, and helping you feel safe in your body again. Now let's begin together, moving like the turtle, returning to spring. This video is for guidance and educational purposes only. Always listen to your body. Stop immediately if you feel pain, discomfort, dizziness, or any unusual symptoms. Consult a qualified health professional before starting any new exercise, breathwork, or meditation practice. Breathwork and meditation can sometimes bring up emotions or mental challenges, so move at your own pace and take care of both your body and mind. Let's begin in stillness, feet together and knees soft. Spine tall, crown gently lifted toward the sky. Relax your shoulders. Breathe deeply into your lower abdomen. Inhale and exhale through the nose. Soft, slow, and natural. No forcing, just gentle. Now let's continue with the opening form. Inhale, raise your hands to the chest, palms facing up. Exhale, open the arms wide. Then inhale again as the hands rise above your head, fingertips touching. Lift your heels, stretch upward, shoulders relaxed. Exhale, come back down, focusing on your upper dantian, located at the center of your head. Repeat twice. Heels up, stretching your body out. Slowly come back down and focus on your upper dantian. Now bring your hands in front of the forehead. Inhale, lift your heels again, awareness in the head. Exhale, lower the heels and sink your focus into the middle dantian at the heart. Repeat twice. So as we go up, put your concentration in the center of your head. Then slowly go down and sink your focus back into the middle dantian. Hands lower in front of the chest. Inhale, lift the heels once more, awareness in the chest. Exhale, heels down, sinking into the lower dantian, just below the navel. Let's do one more. Now lower your hands and step out with your left leg shoulder width. Place both hands on your kidneys. Inhale, gently arch back, feeling space across the lower back. Hold briefly. Then exhale, return to standing. Now we continue with rotating the shoulders. Step out 2 times your hip width. Gently begin rotating your shoulders backward as you inhale and forward as you exhale. Smooth and controlled circles. Feel your neck, spine and shoulders loosening. Let's finish the exercise and come back to a straight posture. Step out again, place both hands on your kidneys. Inhale, gently arch back, pressing against your kidneys. Feeling space across the lower back. Hold briefly. Be careful not to overdo it. Then exhale, return to standing. From here on, mirror my movements. When I go to your left, you also move to your left. We continue with the next exercise, squeezing the yin. Step out again. Turn your hips to the left as you inhale, lifting the right heel. Right shoulder rolls forward and up. Exhale, return to center. Now to the other side. Keep the knees aligned with the toes. Gentle, controlled rotations. And to finish the exercise, we come back to a straight posture. Return to step out, hands on the kidneys. Inhale, arch back with awareness. Don't overdo this. Hold this posture. And exhale, come back to center. Now, let's start with the form. Step out, 2 times hip width, knees soft. Hands rise to shoulder height. Left hand goes under the right, palms facing, like holding a ball. Turn the left foot outward, shifting to the left hip as the left hand extends forward with the palm facing the chest. Right hand near the hip with the palm down. Keep the left knee aligned with the toes. Gently lean forward as the left hand flows upward. Shift the weight back. Both hands circle slowly to the hips, palms turning upward. Keep the knee of your back leg in line with the toes. Shift forward again, scooping the arms ahead. Spine long and straight. Shift back once more, circling the hands toward the shoulders, palms down. And again forward. Arms diving, weight in the front leg. spine flowing like water. Return to center. Hands form a ball again. Left hand under the right. Turn the left foot forward, rotate the ball and repeat to the right side. Turn your body, placing the right palm in front of the chest and the left palm facing down by the hip. Lean forward and lift your left arm. Shift your weight onto the back leg, keeping awareness on the left knee. Drop the hands, lean forward with a straight spine and transfer your weight to the front leg. Circle the arms upward as you shift back, bringing the hands in front of your shoulders. Shift forward again, letting the hands flow down as if diving into the ocean. Slowly return to center, rotating the right foot. Turn the ball, then repeat on the other side. Turn with left palm at chest, right by hip. Lean forward, right arm goes up. Shift weight back, drop hands, lean forward and move onto the front leg. Circle arms up as you shift back. Then dive forward with the hands. Return to center. Turn the ball and repeat on the other side. Exhale as you turn, bringing the palm in front of your chest. Inhale as you lean forward, raising the arm. Exhale as you shift weight back. Inhale as you move into the front leg, circling the arms upward. Exhale as you shift back again with the hands in front of the shoulders. Inhale as you dive forward. Exhale as you return to center. Then repeat to the other side. Exhale as you turn. Inhale as you lean forward, raising the arm. Exhale as you shift weight back. Inhale as you move into the front leg, circling the arms upward. Exhale as you shift back again. Inhale as you dive forward. Exhale as you return to center. Turn the ball. Exhale as you turn. Inhale as you lean forward, raising the arm. Exhale as you shift weight back. Inhale as you move into the front leg, circling the arms upward. Exhale as you shift back again. Inhale as you dive forward. Exhale as you return to center. Turn the ball. Exhale as you turn. Inhale as you lean forward, raising the arm. Exhale as you shift weight back. Inhale as you move into the front leg, circling the arms upward. Exhale as you shift back again. Inhale as you dive forward. Exhale as you return to center. Follow my movements, stay focused, and allow yourself to relax. hands return in front of your chest, palms facing each other. Rotate to the right, lifting the left heel. Stretch the arms up toward the sky. Inhale deeply. Exhale back to center and circle the hands down as you bend the knees. Then step back to standing tall. Step out again and put your hands once more on the kidneys. Inhale, arch back with awareness. Exhale, return to the beginning. Raise your hands toward the sky, drawing positive energy into your body. Then gently guide your focus back to the lower abdomen. Stand quietly. Breathe deep into your abdomen. Calm the breath. Calm the mind. If you would like, pause here and stay as long as you need. Thank you for practicing with me today. Let me know in the comments how this felt for you, or if you have any questions. If you enjoyed this session, please like the video and subscribe to support the channel. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.